Do you enjoy cooking? Have you always wanted to cook delicious Mediterranean food from the comfort of your own home? If so, then our ebook called A Taste of Lebanon is a must-have. This cookbook was created by native Mediterranean chefs and restaurant owners with over 30 years of cooking experience. In this cookbook, you'll find delicious recipes from Lebanon and the Middle East. Each recipe is easy to read, has step-by-step instructions, as well as high-quality pictures of the finished dish. Just looking at them will make your stomach growl. This book is full of easy-to-follow recipes for soups, salad dressings, salads, Lebanese mezza, and main courses. Cooking Mediterranean food is delicious. Your family and guests will love this different style of cooking. Order now for the lowest price ever offered below.